Hey there, it's Rad. Today I'll be reviewing Series 21 of these minifigures. There are 12 in this limited edition collection. I have the whole collection that I got from online, so I know exactly what I have. It's each one of them. And we're gonna open this up, that way you can see the chart and what is inside. All right, here we go. Whoa. Okay, so this one looks like it is known as the Ancient Warrior. Sort of like an Aztec warrior. So this is the entire series. Okay, so we've got Paddle Surfer, Violin Kid, Shipwreck Survivor, Ladybug Girl, Pug Costume Guy, Centaur Warrior, Beekeeper, Ancient Warrior, Airplane Girl, Space Police Guy, Alien, and Cabaret Singer. So the one I have here is the Ancient Warrior. Let's put this one together. Let's put the face. It's got two different choices. One is benign and one looks angry. This one has details of what looks like a cheetah. It's got markings of a big cat. Oh, there's a shield. Yeah, the shield actually was pretty cool. I saw this online. That's a really nice design, and it is shiny. It's gold. All right, so that's the first one. Next up. So this is the Ladybug Girl. It looks like she's wearing black outfit underneath, and on top of it is an outfit that looks like a ladybug. And then there's this other thing where you've got these two little ladybugs here. They're kind of cute on their own. I mean, she alone would have been fine. You know, she didn't have to have anything. She is continuing the tradition of having minifigures wearing costumes. A bag within a bag. Oh, irony. Sometimes they have instructions for specific characters, and you know what? I was right, this is one of those. So this looks like some sort of character. It's called Cabaret Singer. From what era? It looks like maybe a character from Las Vegas. It also could look like a drag queen. It's got the exaggerated makeup to look like such, which that could be cool. That could be a first. Oh wow, yeah, look at the shininess of that. So shiny. There she is. Or he, or they. Next up, numero 4. We've got Paddle Surfer, also in a separate bag. Pourquoi? Je ne sais pas. There's a cool image here of a silhouette and a sunset with a dolphin in it and two palm trees in the sun. Look at that dolphin. Surfboard has this coral color in black and white, and this symbol that's on the back of the shirt, which is reminiscent of the brand Roxy. And she's got a hat with a built-in, well, I should say a ponytail with a built-in hat, right? And some sort of decal on the top, which looks, I don't know, looks abstract to me right now. All right, there you go, Paddle Surfer, and it comes with a dolphin, so that's bang for your buck. Numero 5. Alien. So another long tradition is making different aliens from other worlds, sci-fi. So, you know, after the gray one, which is one of my favorites, I'm kind of done after that, you know? I don't know. This one's a little lizard-like. A very specific mold was created for this. So we've got some sort of storyline going on here. This one has got a pickaxe, and it's like it's in a mine somewhere, and found this gem. Numero 6. Okay, so we've got this one called Space Police Guy. So I've got some thoughts about this one. This one seems a little problematic with what has happened last year with all the protests we've been having and people calling to, reform the police department, to divert funds from the police to the community. So this thing looks a little odd to put out during this time, but you know, these things are thought of years in advance, I suppose. But this is a space police, so to be fair, that's the idea behind that. So that's the workaround, I suppose. There's some sort of baton here. It's a stun gun baton. Oh, Lord. You see what I'm talking about? All right. Número 6. No, 7. This is a little boy dressed up as a pug. See the short legs? And look at that face. Oh, they both have tongues sticking out, hence the dog look. And here is the costume. It's got a handkerchief there that's kind of cute. Look at that pug design. Yeah, it's cute. It tells me it's pug. I get it. So he's ready. This one's ready for the costume party. And there's a little tail in the back. Nice detail. That's very cute. Número 8. Okay, so this one is the Centaur Warriors, which is the symbol of my star sign, Sagittarius. Oh boy. All right. That's odd that was done. Right? This thing doesn't go on the front of the body, does it? Oh, it goes on the side here. Okay. That's an odd design. That's just going to come off and see? Too easy to come off. Look at this design. It's looking great. You know, Lord of the Rings, woodland realm. She's got an apple. Is she practicing her archery? There's always a storyline. All right, next one. Oh, the airplane. What's with the bags inside of bags? Isn't there enough plastic already? So there have been other ones that are similar to this in that there are objects that these people wear. This one's got a whole Amelia Earhart aviator situation going on. This one is also a little girl wearing a costume. She's got some marks on her like she has been through it. Número 10. All right. Here's the violin. I was looking forward to this one because I think this is the first time there has been a violin. So for musicians out there, check this out. What do you think? There are two faces. Let's take a look at that. We've got one that looks like he's not too happy with himself, frustrated. And the other one that looks like he's blissfully lost in his own music. Let's put this one on. It looks like it's got a Blacktron symbol on there, previous Lego series. Got hair that has been around for a long time. Have I played violin before? I played a violin once for 2 seconds, where I just held it in my hand and I was told that I did not a bad job. Okay, next up, number 11. We've got the beekeeper. We've got the shipwreck survivor. Which one will it be? This is what people do in the stores, right? Okay, this is the beekeeper. It's got a huge helmet. So this is shipwreck survivor here. Oh, that's a new little looking thing. Wow. They made it look like a shell here, but I could see that being used for a cupcake big time. Look at that spiral. That is cool. That's a new thing. Little things like that, you know, get people excited in this world of minifigures. And this little crabby guy, this is hilarious. Is this the first two this crab to have this crab like that? And this hair has been around a while. I like this one. I've done a painting of this one once for Caveman. So here's the message in the bottle. There's the message. The message is not inside, but it's printed outside. That thing is adorable. I didn't think I was gonna like this one as much. All right, número 12. All right, beekeeper. I was interested in this one. It gave me vibes of the hazmat suit, which I love. I did a painting of that too. Hexagon design here, and looks like a drip of honey. This is gonna smoke them out of whatever crevice they're in. I've seen a few videos online of people going into really curious locations to smoke out a beehive from a location that people don't want it to be in, and put them in a box. Now they don't have the hive box. I wonder which is the queen bee here, because once you get her out, you could get them all out apparently. Oh, it's got its tongue out like it's licking some of the honey already. Hilarious. See, there's always a story going on here. look at this construction of this. This is pretty elaborate. And this is, it's translucent. It's not transparent. It's got like a dark gray hue to this. It's got wrinkles on here. Really nice design there. All right, so that is them. That is all 12 of them. Let's take a good look at them now. My favorites are the two boy and girl with the costumes, the plane and the pug. I like the violin and the beekeeper, and this costume one with the ladybug. I put in the center here another one that I was surprised I kind of didn't hate, because it had some cool new features in it, like that swirl design, which could look like a few different things. And I like that little crab character. The ones in the back, not my fave, just, you know, no particular reason, just because. And are they rad recommended? Yes, of course. They totally are. These would be a nice to put in some sort of display case, so you could see them all in one fell swoop. So which are your favorites? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.